Students, I hope you all are well, staying safe at home. This is your English period. I am your English teacher. Today we will study poem number 7, The Line from our English reader book, that small book which you had. Today we will study from that book. Firstly, I will read the poem, then explain to you, and after that we will do some exercises in the book only. So let's start it. Everyone open page number 33. You all know that today we will study from our English reader book. So everyone open page number 33. That is the poem The Line. Write down classwork. Put the date. That is 12 December 2020. The poem is poem number 7, The Line. The line does not move at all, winter or summer, spring or fall. He does not even stretch or yawn, but lies in silence on the lawn. He must be lazy, it is plain. It is a poem about a lion, and the boy is the narrator of the poem. He is telling that the lion does not move, means the lion does not go anywhere, whether it is winter, summer, spring, fall where all the leaves of the plants falls, that is the autumn season. He does not even stretch or yawn. He does not even open her mouth to yawn and stretch his body to do any warm up, but lies in silence on the lawn. He must be lazy, it is plain. He is always silent and lies in the lawn. And the boy says that the lion must be lazy. But it is a story about a lion, the statue of a lion, and this boy is reciting the poem. Now we will come to next page. For there is moss upon his mane, and what is more, a pair of daws have built a nest between his paws. Oh, lazy lion, big and brown, this is no time for lying down. The sun is shining, can't you see? Oh, please wake up and play with me. For there is moss. What is moss, students? Moss is a very small green or yellow plant that grows on wet earth, rocks, or tree trunks. You might have find the moss in your terrace also. See, let's see what is a moss in the line. See, it is a moss and a pair of daws. These birds are daws. They have also made their nest in her paws, means in her legs. Have built a nest between his paws. Oh, lazy lion, big and brown, the daws has built their nest near paws. And now the boy is saying, oh, you are such a lazy lion, you are big and brown. There is no time for lying down. The sun is shining, can't you see? There is no time for lying down, and the sun is shining above the head. Can't you see? Oh, please wake up and play with me. Oh, please get up and start playing with me. The the small boy is reciting this poem, and he is talking to the statue of the lion. And this poem was written by Oliver Hertford. Now we will do some exercises. Exercise 1. Underline the rhyming words in the poem. Write the words in the table. Add a rhyming word to each pair. We have to write down firstly we will underline the rhyming words in the book. All, fall, yawn, lawn, pain, main, doors, pause, brown, down, see, me. Now they have told that these lines which we have underlined, we have to write it down, and we will add one more word which will become all, fall, tall, yawn, lawn, dawn, plain, main, lane, brown, down, crown, doors, pause, jaws, see, me, tree. This line has been added by me. So students, write it down. You all know that it had become a rhyming word. These all have become rhyming words, and they all are in the pair. All, fall, tall, yawn, lawn, dawn, pain, main, lane, brown, down, crown, doors, pause, jaws, she, me, tree. Now we will come to exercise 3. Match the words to their opposites. We have to match opposites. Okay? Lazy. Lazy means where people don't do any work. So what will be the opposite? It will be active. Active means where people do all the work. So you will write 1 and you will put a slash over here. Big will be small. The opposite will be small. Write 2. Wake up will be sleep. You will write 3rd over here. So students, do this work in your book only. Okay, here we completed our reader book. All for today, students. Your homework is learn the rhyming words and match the following from poem 7, The Lion. Okay, that's all for today. Have a good day. Thank you.